Hello everyone, I'm Kote. Today we will talk about cell junctions. It's very important topic, and let's talk about main points, high-yield points, high-yield things. Why we need cell junctions? We need them to connect neighboring cells. Connecting neighboring cells. If it's one cell, it's another cell, and they need to connect each other. This connection provide cell junctions connection. Sorry, let's do with mouse. Okay. Connection cells, first function of cell junction. It's very big font. Let's do 15. Connecting. Another function is provide transport pathway paracellular space. Again, if there is one cell, here's another cell, and cell junction creates barrier here and here. For this is pathway. I will draw it white pathway for paracellular transport, and cell junction creates barrier for this transport. First for connecting cells, another is creates barrier for paracellular transport, and third function is attach cells to other connective tissue or other structures. If it's cell, connects it, for example, basal lamina. So we already know what is cell junction functions. First is connecting cells, another is creates barrier for paracellular transport, and third is connecting this cells to other structures like connective tissue. Okay, let's talk about each type. First, barrier junction. That's blue. And to understand well barrier junction, let's paint epithelial cell. A barrier junction is most commonly in epithelial cells. Here is cell, epithelial. Here is another cell, and another cell, and etc. Here is microvilli. And etc. It's microvilli, and here is barrier cell junctions here, here. There are two types of barrier cell junctions, and I will paint it another color to illustrate well. This is first type and another type. It's cell. It is cell. It is also cell. It is also cell. It's microvilli. Microvilli. This, and this all. Okay. Here is lumen. Let's paint lumen. That's here. It will be here, I think. Yes, lumen. Intestinal lumen here. So molecules transferred from here, red from here to here and here. Its molecular transport paracellular between these cells. Okay, and here is barrier junction. Why it is called barrier? Because it's barrier for these molecules, and this consists of two types of barrier junctions. This is zonula adherens and zonula occludens. Zonula adherens, also called tight junction. Zonula occludens here. Is blue. Occludens, also known as tight junction. Tight junction. Okay. This is this here, and another zonula adherens. Zonula adherens. Zonula adherens. Okay. Barrier tight junction is represented two types of junction, zonula occludens and zonula adherens, and these junctions are to create barrier between cell pathway, transport pathway. Okay, I think it's understandable. And what type of protein, what type of molecules are consist of these molecules? They are both of them. They are, let's read in red, not red, but green. They are, both of them, they are microfilaments. Microfilaments are cytoskeletal structure. I have a video about them, you can see. Microfilaments. Okay, so let's summarize. Here is barrier cell junction. Here is lumen, microvilli, cell. Between cell is space. In this space is pathway for molecules, and here is barrier for these molecules, because and it is named because of it, barrier junction. And this barrier junction consists of two types of junction: zonal occludence and zonal adherence. Okay, let's discuss another type, is anchoring junction. Anchoring, and if it's anchoring, it's strong junction. And let's discuss anchoring junction. Anchoring junction. First was barrier junction, second is anchoring junction. Let's paint two cell again. Here is one cell, it's very big. Here is one cell, one epithelial cell, and another cell, and here is basal lamina. Okay, let's name them. Cell again, and basal lamina. Okay, and between this cell is anchoring junction, and this anchoring junction called desmosomes. It is like that. Here is dense structure, here also dense structure, and here are some lines. And this anchoring junction called desmosomes. It is called desmosomes. Let's write. Desmosomes. Okay. This junction is strong, and these two cells are connected with this junction. These junction molecules are intermediate filaments. I have a video about intermediate filaments. If you are interested, you can see it. These molecules are intermediate filaments. Let's write here. Ongoing is made of intermediate filaments. Okay. And this structure is called desmosomes. When a cell to cell junction, anchoring junction, it's called desmosomes, but this anchoring junction may be between cell and basal lamina, and it is called semi-desmosome. Semi-desmosome. And it's very easy. If this structure is desmosome, then half of it will be hemidesmosome. And let's paint. Hemidesmosome is like that. Hemidesmosome. Yeah, it is very easy. Hemidesmosome. Let's write. Hemidesmosomes. Okay, very easy. We already discussed two types of barrier, two types of cell junction. First was barrier junction. Barrier junction was two types. First type was zonula occludens, also known as tight junction, and second is zonula adherence. Very easy. And I want to paint this in blue. Okay. These barrier junctions are barriers between cell transports, and it's very easy to understand, I think. And this is made of microfilaments. Each cytoskeletal structure, microfilaments made of globulins and made of proteins actually. Okay. Anchoring junction is between cells and basal lamina or other structure, other connective tissue. And when this anchoring junction is between two cells, it is called desmosomes. When it is between cell and other structure, it is called hemidesmosomes. Very easy. Okay, now let's discuss gap junction, third type of junction, gap junction. I want it orange color. Okay, gap junction. And gap junction is actually for connecting two cells for exchange some information, exchange molecules, exchange ions, and it's very easy to. Now I am painting one cell, and there is another cell. And gap junction, let's paint it with blue color. Gap junction, like tube. Imagine this is tube. This is made of many molecules, but this is tube. You can look from here and you can see what happens here. It's tube. It's gap junction or gap junction. Gap junction. Okay, it's very easy. Why we need gap junction? We need gap junction to transfer from one cell to another cell. For example, ions. Gap junction are represented in cardiomyocytes when we need complex contraction, when we need contact, active contact between these cells. It is represented also in intestinal intestinal muscle, where we need contractions, where we need peristaltic, we need exchange ions, and gap junction can transfer ion, for example, natrium from here to here. So this gap junction we need for between cellular transport. If this barrier junction, we need paracellular transport barrier. Gap junction we need for simplify or for helping between cellular transport. I think it's very easy, and this type of junction is not represented cytoskeletal structure, and not microfilaments nor intermediate filaments. Okay, thank you for watching. I think it's easy. I think it's helpful for you. If you think so too, you can subscribe my channel, you can like videos, and it will be motivation for me for more better and better videos. Please help me, like video and subscribe my channel. Bye.